dead followers walking? Not for long. You got the followers, thousands, maybe millions. But where's the money? That's what we're talking about today. Turning those double taps into dollar bills. It's not enough to just have a crowd. You need a crowd that buys what you're selling. That's the difference between a social media influencer and a successful entrepreneur. We're gonna break it down step by step. No more dead weight on your follower count. It's time to turn those passive scrollers into active customers. Let's get this bread. Turning likes into loot, the name of the game. Here's the deal. Social media ain't just for posting selfies and cat videos. It's a goldmine waiting to be tapped. Think about it. You got a direct line to your target audience. People who are already interested in what you do. That's powerful. But you gotta know how to work it. You gotta turn that interest into action. That's where the magic happens. We're talking about building a relationship with your followers, giving them what they want, and ultimately turning them into loyal customers. The follower trap, all eyes, no purchases. Ever notice how some accounts have massive followings but barely any engagement? That's the follower trap. It's like having a stadium full of people who are all asleep. They see your posts, but they don't really care. They're not buying. Why? Because there's no connection, no trust, no value being offered. Just a bunch of noise. We gotta break through that noise. We gotta give people a reason to pay attention, a reason to open their wallets. Engagement is king. Make 'em feel the love. Engagement is everything. It's the key to unlocking the potential of your followers. Think about it. When someone comments on your post, shares it, or even just likes it, that's a sign. A sign that they're paying attention, that they're interested. So how do you boost engagement? Simple. Give people a reason to engage. Ask questions, run polls, respond to comments, show them you care. The more engaged your followers are, the more likely they are to become customers. Section 5. Give to get valuable content is your secret weapon. Listen up, people love free stuff, but it's gotta be good free stuff. Stuff that's actually valuable to them. Think about your target audience. What are their pain points? What do they need help with? Create content that addresses those needs. It could be anything, blog posts, videos, infographics, ebooks. The format doesn't matter. What matters is that it's high quality and provides real value. Section 6 FOMO is your friend, the power of exclusivity. Ever heard of FOMO? Fear of missing out. It's a powerful motivator. And you can use it to your advantage. How? By offering exclusive content and deals to your followers. Make them feel like they're part of a special club. This could be anything from early access to new products to discounts and freebies that are only available to your followers. The key is to make it clear that these offers are limited and won't last forever. That's how you create that sense of urgency and scarcity that drives sales. Section 7. The clock is ticking, limited time offers for quick wins. Speaking of urgency, nothing gets people moving faster than a ticking clock. Enter limited time offers. These are exactly what they sound like. Special deals that are only available for a limited time. This could be a discount, a bonus product, or even just free shipping. The goal here is to create a sense of urgency, to make people feel like they need to act now or miss out. This is a great way to boost sales in the short term. Section 8. Recap your winning game plan. Alright, let's recap. We covered a lot of ground today. Here's your winning game plan for turning followers into paying customers. Engage, engage, engage. Make your followers feel seen and heard. Respond to comments, ask questions, and run polls. Provide value. Create high-quality content that addresses your target audience's pain points and needs. Leverage FOMO. Offer exclusive content and deals to your followers to make them feel like they're part of a special club. Create urgency. Use limited time offers to drive sales in the short term. Remember, it's all about building relationships and providing value. Do that, and you'll turn those followers into loyal customers in no time. Section 9. Let's keep the conversation going. So there you have it, folks. My take on turning those followers into paying customers. But this is just the beginning. Head over to my social media pages and tell me about your experiences. What's working for you? What challenges are you facing? Let's keep the conversation going and learn from each other. Smash the like button and subscribe. Because at the end of the day, we're all in this together. Now go out there and crush it.